Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create infinity off of this platform right here. Now this is going to be really quick, so bear with me. You're going to need Steam and Fire to create engine to create rocket. You're going to duplicate the rocket now to create satellite. Now add some water underneath it and double tap the water to create the lake here, and then just grab the lake to the satellite and create Google. Now double tap the Google right here, and after you double tap the Google, just add fire to Googleplex, and there you have it, infinity. So that's how simple and easy it is. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.